Hello my followers and channel watchers. Today, just after the week of DJI Mini 5 Pro release date, I have got this Fly More combo with DJI RC2 remote controller, and in this video let's see what is in the box and let's open it. So quick overlook of the box. So let's open it. Less mirror effect. Okay, let's see. So here is the QR code for quick tutorial. Everything comes in the bag. So this is the bag. It is, I would say, twice as big as my previous small drone DJI Mini 3 Pro. So this is how everything looks in here, just right after unboxing it. Okay, here is the box with some stuff. Type-C cable. Propellers, three pairs of them. So what is this? This should be lens covers, filters. This is something new. Previous mini drones didn't have this set, and I suppose also other drones didn't include filters in the box, so this is something really nice. Will take out the concurrence of other filter creators. So natural density 8, 32 and 128. stickers for C1 probably, or maybe I'm mistaken. Some more stickers. Quick start guide. I will maybe need it in the next video. Safety guidelines. And here are some instructions about the labels. Okay, this is the drone itself. It's C0 category, but if you're going to apply to C1, then you need these stickers. Okay, so half of the box is empty. Okay, let's go to the main stuff. Batteries with a charger. Also in other video I will try to use batteries from DJI Mini 3 Pro. They should work, so I hope, because I also have some extra batteries from my older drone, so I would be really happy if I can use them. This is really nice if it is going to work properly. Okay, and drone and remote. Okay, let's take remote controller, and then at last the drone. Remote controller itself. It's basically the same as Mini 3 Pro, but with new transmission system, the same as Mini 4, I suppose. I haven't had Mini 4, so I'm comparing everything with Mini 3 Pro. And the drone. Some stronger plastics this time comparing to other drones. Oh, and as we can see, everything is built like with propellers, so everything can be stored safely. So there is extra 6 propellers and very big cover, as the all new members of DJI drones. Always you have to learn how to open it and put it back in the place for the first time. And already it comes with C0 class stickers, so this is good. So one more battery. Okay. It has something in here, so it makes some noises. I hope those are for good. And it is already turning on, but we are going to do it in next video. So I suppose that this video is over and we have seen everything what comes with DJI Mini 5 Pro, and I like that the front is upwards, so it has the legs. This was the quite big problem for Mini 3 Pro drone. So we have opened it up, and thank you for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.